Today's topic is about variation. This maths is intended for grade 9 students. Three types of variation. I have here number 1, direct variation is y is equal to k times x. In other words, we say this one as directly proportional. Then number 2 is the inverse variation. Y is equal to k over x. And we say this is inversely proportional. And the last is combined or joint variation. Y is equal to k x times z, where k is our constant of variation. Okay, let's start with number 1 variation, direct variation. Okay, so it says that when a certain variable y depends on another variable x, it may increase or decrease depending on whether the other variable increases or decreases respectively. Note, in direct variation, when one variable increases, the other also increases. Same situation occurs if one variable decreases. So we know that this is y is equal to kx, and k is our constant of variation. For example, we have y equals 2x. So this is the equation of a direct variation. So let us make a tabulation for this equation. So when x equals 0, y will be 0. And then when x equals 1, y equals 2. When x is 3, so 2 times 3, this will be, y will be equal to 6. And then when x equals 4, 2 times 4 is 8. So let's make a simple graph. This is y and this is x. So this is x-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this is y. So let's say 2, 4, 6, and then this is 8. So 0 in here. And then this is origin, 0, 0. Coordinates are 0, 0. And then 1 and 2. 1, x is 1, and then y is 2. So in here. Then 3 and 6. So where's my 3? Between 2 and 4, right? It's 1. Then 3 in here, and then 6. It's 1. And then the last will be 4. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. So this will be here. So just connect. This will be, this will be a straight line. So take note, from 0, that will be increasing to infinite value. So that's for the graph for direct variation. Now let's go to an application for direct variation. Okay, this is the application for direct variation. Number 1 problem, the circumference of a circle. Circumference means is 1. This one is the circumference. From here, then go back to the original point. So this is the circumference. Now, the circumference of a circle varies directly as its radius. The circumference is 8 pi when the radius is 4 centimeter. So take note the word directly. So meaning this is direct variation. So we are talking about circumference is equal to constant of variation times the radius. So let us solve first the constant of variation. So I have here the circumference is 8 pi, and then k. The radius is given. So this is 4 centimeter. So to solve the value of k, I will divide this one by 4, both sides. So this will be crossed out. K equals 8 pi over 4. So this will be 8 divided by 4, that is 2. So I have here 2 pi. So my equation for direct variation will be equal to C is equal to 2 pi times r. So this is the formula of the circumference of a circle. But the question is, find the circumference when the radius is 4 centimeter. So C is equal to 2 times 3.14. We know that pi, for some country they use P, is equal to 3.14. And then the radius is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. So this will be, I will multiply this first because this is very easy, times 3.14 centimeter. So I will multiply this one or calculate 3.14 times 8. So 4 times 8 is 32, carry 3. Then 1 times 8 is 8 plus 3 is 11, carry 1. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Now I have here 2 decimal places, so I have to start from the right. 1, 2. So my answer is 25.12 centimeter. So that's for number 1 example. Now let's move to the second example for direct variation. If y is equal to 36 when x equals 24, find x when. Number 2 is if y equals 36 when x equals 24. Now find x when y equals 21. So again, the basic formula for direct variation, y equals k times x. So we need to solve the constant of variation in order to get the equation of the variation. So y is 36 is equal to k. X is 24. To solve the value of k, divide 24 both sides. Cross out. So k equals 36 over 24. So what number can we divide 36 and 24? The GCF, greatest common factor between 36 and 24. 12. So 36 divided by 12 is 3. And then 24 divided by 12 is 2. So my k, or constant of variation, is equal to 3 over 2. So I need to write the equation. So this will be y is equal to 3 over 2x. So this is not the equation for number 2. But we need to find the x, or the value of x, when y equals 21. So I need to substitute 21 for y, and then 3 over 2x, because find the value of x. Then since there is no denominator, so I need to write that 1 below 21. So this will be 21 over 1 is equal to 3x over 2. And then apply cross multiplication. This one. So 3x times 1 is 3x is equal to 21 times 2. Then I need to divide 3 both sides. Cross out. So x equals, okay, divide by 3, this is 1. Divide by 3, this is 7. And then 7 times 2 is 14. So my answer for number 2 is 14. X equals 14. Now let's move to number 3. If x equals 1 over 20 when y equals 2 over 5, find the value of x when y equals 4. Again, the formula for direct variation equals k times x. So y equals k times x. So first thing to do is we need to solve the constant of variation. So I have here y equals 2 over 5. This will be 2 over 5 is equal to k times the value of x is 1 over 20. So this will be 2 over 5 is equal to k over 20. Then apply cross multiplication. 5 times k is 5k is equal to 2 times 20 is 40. Then I need to divide the 5 both sides in order to get the value of k. So this will be crossed out. 40 divided by 5 is 8. So I can make my equation for number 3, which is y is equal to k is 8 x. So this is my equation for number 3. Now find the value of x when y equals 4. So y is 4 and then find the value of x. So to find the value of x, I need to divide by 8 both sides. So this will be crossed out. X is equal to 4 over 8. And then since this is fraction, so we need to divide by using the GCF between 4 and 8. So this will be 4 and this is 4. So x will be equal to 1 over 2. So the answer for number 3 is 1 over 2. That's all.